Hi guys, in this video we'll be showing you how to gain more experience or level up quickly in Squad Busters. The first thing you need to focus on is killing the monsters. While monsters and Squad Busters give a different set of XPs when you kill them. For example, small monsters will give you a steady stream of XP. Medium monsters offer more XP, and big and boss monsters this provide the most XP but are the toughest to beat. So make sure you build a top squad before you attempt to take them down. Next is you can also upgrade your characters or your squads. Evolving your characters boosts their abilities and can increase the XP you gain from battles. Collect character card from chests or buy them directly to the shop. Evolve your characters from baby into classic. Next is, you need to complete the achievements. The achievement book is divided into 3 categories: monsters, battle mods, and spells. Completing these achievements not only reward you with portal energy but also will boost your XP. Lastly is, you need to participate in daily events. These events often offer bonus XP and other rewards, helping you level up faster. So keep an eye on the event calendar and make sure to engage in all these special challenges, and that's how you can level up quickly or gain more experience in Squad Busters. And thank you for listening.